Pigeons possess an uncanny ability to navigate over vast distances. They can find their way home from thousands of miles away. Imagine being released in a completely unfamiliar location, with no GPS or map, and still managing to find your way back home. This remarkable talent has fascinated scientists and bird enthusiasts for centuries. How do they do it? Pigeons have an internal compass. They can sense the Earth's magnetic field. This allows them to orient themselves and determine their direction even on cloudy days. But their navigational skills go beyond simple compass orientation. Pigeons also rely on landmarks. They memorize visual cues along their flight paths. They use these landmarks like we use road signs. Additionally, they possess a keen sense of smell. Pigeons can detect scents carried on the wind. This helps them recognize familiar territories. The combination of these abilities, magnetic orientation, landmark recognition, and olfactory navigation, makes pigeons exceptional navigators. These birds are masters of their domain, capable of traversing vast distances with astonishing accuracy. Beyond their navigational prowess, pigeons exhibit impressive problem-solving abilities. They can analyze situations and devise strategies. In laboratory settings, they have demonstrated remarkable cognitive flexibility. For example, pigeons can learn to solve complex puzzles. They can identify patterns and make logical connections. In one study, pigeons were presented with a series of images on a touchscreen. They had to peck the images in a specific order to receive a food reward. The pigeons quickly learned the correct sequence, demonstrating their ability to understand and remember complex rules. Pigeons have also been observed using tools. In the wild, they use twigs and leaves to build their nests. In controlled experiments, pigeons have learned to manipulate objects to access food. They can push levers, pull strings, and even roll balls to achieve a desired outcome. These problem-solving abilities highlight the intelligence of pigeons. They are not simply creatures of instinct but rather adaptable and resourceful animals capable of learning and applying knowledge in novel situations. One hallmark of higher cognitive abilities is self-recognition. This involves being aware of oneself as an individual, distinct from others. The mirror test is a classic experiment used to assess self-awareness in animals. Surprisingly, pigeons pass the mirror test. In this test, a mark is placed on the animal's body in a spot they cannot normally see. When placed in front of a mirror, if the animal touches or investigates the mark on their body, it suggests they recognize the reflection as themselves. Pigeons, like humans and a select few other species, exhibit this behavior. They understand that the bird in the mirror is not another individual but a reflection of themselves. This ability underscores their cognitive sophistication. Pigeons possess remarkable visual memory. Studies have shown that they can remember an astounding number of images. In one experiment, pigeons were trained to recognize and categorize over 1,000 different pictures. Even after a considerable amount of time, the pigeons were able to recall and correctly identify the images with remarkable accuracy. This impressive feat demonstrates their exceptional visual memory capacity. The ability to remember such a vast number of images is likely crucial for their survival in the wild. Pigeons need to remember food sources, potential dangers, and the intricacies of their environment. Their exceptional memory allows them to navigate and thrive in complex and ever-changing surroundings. Section 5. Decoding the world pigeons as linguists. While they may not communicate with words like humans, pigeons exhibit an impressive ability to understand symbols and language-like concepts. They can learn to associate specific symbols with different meanings, much like we learn to read. In research settings, pigeons have been taught to distinguish between letters of the alphabet. They can even learn to identify words in short phrases. This suggests that their cognitive abilities extend beyond simple visual recognition to a more nuanced understanding of symbolic representation. This capacity for symbolic learning is further demonstrated by their ability to understand abstract concepts like same and different. When presented with a series of images, pigeons can correctly identify which images belong together based on shared characteristics, even if they have never seen those specific images before. Section 6. Winged Heroes. Pigeons in Search and Rescue. For centuries, humans have recognized and utilized the exceptional navigational abilities of pigeons. Their homing instincts and aerial skills have made them invaluable partners in various tasks, most notably in search and rescue missions. Pigeons were particularly crucial during wartime. Equipped with small capsules attached to their legs, they carried messages across enemy lines. delivering vital information, and sometimes even turning the tide of battle. Their ability to navigate through smoke, gunfire, and unfamiliar terrain earned them accolades for bravery and reliability. Even today, in our technologically advanced world, pigeons still find roles in search and rescue efforts. Their aerial perspective and keen eyesight allow them to spot lost hikers or survivors in areas inaccessible to humans or drones. Section 7. Beyond the myths. Appreciating pigeon intelligence. Despite their remarkable abilities, pigeons are often dismissed as pests or rats with wings. This perception couldn't be further from the truth. These birds are intelligent, resourceful, and possess cognitive skills that continue to surprise and intrigue scientists. Their ability to navigate, solve problems, recognize themselves in mirrors, remember thousands of images, and even understand symbols challenges our assumptions about avian intelligence. Pigeons demonstrate that remarkable cognitive abilities can exist in creatures vastly different from ourselves. By appreciating the intelligence of pigeons, we gain a deeper understanding of the diversity and wonder of the animal kingdom. We begin to see beyond simplistic labels and recognize the inherent value and complexity of all living things. Section 8. The future of pigeon cognition research. The study of pigeon cognition is a vibrant field with ongoing research constantly revealing new insights into these fascinating creatures. Scientists are developing innovative methods to explore the depths of their cognitive abilities, from their spatial awareness and problem-solving strategies to their understanding of language and abstract concepts. New technologies such as brain imaging techniques are allowing researchers to delve into the neural mechanisms underlying pigeon intelligence. By studying how their brains process information, we can gain a deeper understanding of how they learn, remember, and make decisions. Further research promises to unlock even more secrets about the minds of pigeons. By continuing to study these remarkable birds, we stand to gain valuable insights into the evolution of intelligence, the diversity of cognitive abilities in the animal kingdom, and the very nature of consciousness itself. Section 9. Conclusion. A new perspective on pigeons. The next time you encounter a pigeon on the street, take a moment to appreciate the complex and intelligent creature before you. Far from being mere pests, pigeons are remarkable animals with cognitive abilities that rival some mammals. Their exceptional navigation skills, problem-solving prowess, self-awareness, impressive memory, and capacity for language-like learning challenge our assumptions about avian intelligence. By recognizing the surprising genius of pigeons, we open ourselves up to a new appreciation for the wonders of the natural world and the remarkable diversity of intelligence that exists beyond our own species. Let us move beyond outdated stereotypes and embrace a more nuanced perspective on these often misunderstood birds.